have a reading comprehension lesson. Okay, we will have a fable story about the fool and the donkey. Okay, it is from your book, Who the Learner book, pages 52 and 53. So if you have your book in front of you, we are going to read together. Okay? The Fool and the Donkey. Once upon a time, a fool went to buy a donkey. There were many donkeys at the stall. Some were big and some were small. Some had long ears and some very short. But among them, there was one donkey that had long, fluffy, silky ears. "This is the donkey for me," said the fool. The fool paid the stall holder. He put a rope around the donkey's neck and led the donkey away through the streets of the town. Two naughty boys watched him. Their names were Amir and Nori. Amir was the older boy and liked to be in charge. "Let's play a trick on that fool and steal his donkey," said Amir to Nori. And he told Nori his plan. So if you can see from the beginning, okay? So this foolman wants to buy a donkey, okay? So he saw one of the donkey that had long, fluffy, silky ears, okay? So he wanted this donkey. But suddenly there's two naughty boys, okay, that they are watching him. Okay, they are very naughty. Why? Because what they do, they play a trick on that fool, and then after that, they steal the donkey. Okay? So let's continue the story. Nori went up to the donkey and carefully took the rope from around the donkey's neck and put around his own. He then followed the fool in the donkey's place. Meanwhile, Amir sold the donkey back to the donkey seller. He skipped for joy when he saw the money he was given. Nori followed the fool out of town. When the fool reached his home, he turned to the donkey. "Oh," he cried, "when I bought you, you were a donkey, but now you turned into a boy. It's true I was a donkey, but I'm really a little boy. I was rude to my mother and she turned me into a donkey. Now I have turned back into a boy, but you have bought me and I belongs to you." "You belongs to me," said the fool. "I cannot own a boy. Go, but promise never to be rude to your mother again." The next day, the fool realized he still needed a donkey. Taking his last few coins, he went back to the donkey stall. Among the donkey, he noticed there was one donkey with long, floppy, silky ears. He knew that donkey. He went over to it and he lifted its ear and said, "You foolish boy, I said never be rude to your mother again." So if you can see here in this story, okay, so Nori, okay, and Amir, they are very naughty, okay. What they do, okay, they lied to the fool man that he became a donkey because he is not listening to her mom, okay. So from this story, okay, the fool and the donkey, from the beginning, okay, a fool buys a donkey, and then while he's buying a donkey, in the middle, a boy pretend to be a donkey. What he did, he put the rope where? On his neck, right? And the boy sent him away. And at the end, the fool goes to buy another donkey. Okay. At the end of the story, the fool believes Nori's story that his mother turned him into a donkey. So when the fool sees the donkey at the donkey stall the next day, instead of realizing he's being tricked, he thinks that the donkey is Nori, who has been rude to his mother again. Okay? So here in this story, okay, who are the characters that we are talking about here? We have the fool, man, and the two naughty boy, right? So here from this story, okay, here, your classwork today, you are going to do this. Who is in this story? Choose 2 words from the box below to describe Nori and 2 words to describe the fool. So how can we describe this fool man? Okay, he is a foolish, he is a trusting, and even though he is fool, but he is kind, right? But Nori, he is a clever boy and naughty. He is clever and naughty. Okay, so number 2 here, which of these 2 settings are in the story? Do you think a big modern city? Or a town a long time ago? Or a house near a town or a duck pond? So from this story, it's easy for us to identify that it's a town a long time ago and a house near a town where the donkey stole, right? So here, we said that the character, okay, is a person in the story. Sometimes we have a lot of characters in the story. And the setting, okay, we did it before, that it is where and when the story happened. Okay? So here, if you can see the first question, it goes to the character. Why? Because we are talking about Nori and the fool man. And the second one is the setting. Why it's setting? It is a place. A town a long time ago. When? In a house near a town. It is a place. So a town a long time ago. Long time ago we are talking about when. In a house near a town, it's where. So this is going to be your classwork today. In your homework, okay, you are going to answer this question number 3 only, A, B, C, D. So reread what you are going to do. You're going to read again the story, The Fool and the Donkey, on the pages 52 and 53, and write down answer to this question. Okay, so letter A, what 3 words are used to describe the donkey ears? Okay, I already read from the story and I explained to you how you describe the donkey ears. It's in the story. Letter B, what happens to the donkey? The fool takes it home, or the donkey is stolen, or it runs away. So what the 2 boys did about the donkey? Okay? So letter C, what does Amir do with the donkey? He sell it or he give it to his mother? Okay? So letter D, read the last 2 lines of the story again. Who does the fool thinks the donkey is? So the last 2 lines is what? Here. He went over to it and he lifted his ear and said, "You are a foolish boy. I said never be rude to your mother again." So what do you think? Who is the okay. So who does the fool thinks the donkey is? Okay. So read the last 2 lines of the story again. Who does the fool think the donkey is? Okay. Who is the boy is pretending to be a donkey? He is Nori. So this will be your homework today. Yan lang.